Hi everyone. Welcome to Jim Mullins' World of Weather. You clicked on to the long range weather forecast discussion for November 19th to December 1st. For the period November 19th to the 23rd, this is what we're expecting. We're still expecting a ridge here in the west, and we have a trough here in the east. There's a tendency for a split flow here in the west. We'll show you that later. But the model is a good agreement as we go through the period. We come to the 23rd, and we don't see much of a change, but we have a weak trough here, and we have an upper low here off the Baja coast. Now, first of all, I want to talk about the system affecting parts of the Mid-Atlantic. Okay, this is go to 7 a.m. in the morning. This is the system here. There'll be still some rain occurring along pushing to the southeast and the lower Mid-Atlantic coast. And we go forward in time. The model's a good agreement. It pulls the system out a little bit to the northeast, still further out to affect a lot of areas. But as you can see here in this frame, let me go back to it. This is 7 a.m. Monday morning. They have a low here. This is the GFS showing some. Let's mount the mouse. Showing some mixed precipitation here across southeast New York, rain here, and then we look at the other models. This is the European ensembles, and that's the European determinists, and this is European ensembles. So they're pretty much in agreement. It takes the system like further out without affecting main portions of the metropolitan area. And then we get to 7 p.m. on Monday. Now we start seeing that it starts affecting portions of the Mid-Atlantic, of the Northeast, with some mixed precipitation. Right here, across this area here, rain closer across eastern New England, and then snow further inland. And we look at good models, like they seem like they're fairly good agreement. So no big impacts, just some strong northeast winds along the coast, maybe causing some minor coastal flooding. Okay, we're going to get back to the rest of the forecast. So during this period, you expect showers and possible storms will accompany a cold front pushing through the southern and central plains in the middle Mississippi Valley Wednesday and Thursday. Snow will be crossable across the Great Lakes in the northeast. We'll go back and see that. Come Wednesday and Thursday. You see right here, snow across the upper Midwest, and we have rain and mixed precipitation here, and a trough and a digging trough along with Pacific energy along the west coast. Upper low will develop and draw moisture northward into the southwest, and then additional moisture will also be from the remnants of Tropical Storm Raymond, and we take a look at that. This will result in widespread heavy rain across the southwest Tuesday through Thursday. So we go Tuesday through Thursday. Here's the upper low, or the energy. And then we start seeing the rain being pulled in. Here's probably the remnants of the storm. And then starts pulling moisture inland into the southwest. And then we go to 7 p.m. Wednesday. And then we start, this is GFS, colder with snow across this region, across parts of the higher elevations of the southern Great Basin and the central and southern Rockies. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for November 22nd to 26th. And below normal heights are forecast across Alaska, a ridge south of that, off the west coast of Canada, and we have a split flow that develops here in the west, and we have our cyclonic flow with a trough here in the east. And we go to the 26th, don't see much change. The European ensemble shows as well. Here's our ridge, here's our upper low, split flow in the west, and then a cyclonic flow almost westerly across the mid-Atlantic and northeast. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, let me get to the map. above normal temperatures for this region, and on forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperatures of forecast east of the Mississippi River, and anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal are forecast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. And then we have above normal precipitation for the southern Rockies, this region here, the lower and middle Mississippi Valley and east of the Mississippi River, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Looking ahead for the period November 27th to December 1st. This is the GFS, maintains split flow, trough, ridge here, trough, as well as to some extent its ensembles still has a little bit of split flow. But if you look at the European ensembles, and then we look at the NAEFS, still have a ridge trough configuration. So putting that into perspective, we're expecting for this period above normal temperatures along the west coast, and anomalies would be near 2 degrees, could be 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And then we have below normal temperatures for much of the nation here, and forecast anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. Precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Then we have above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.